Hey Escambia County teachers, are you looking for a quick way to check in on your student grades? Well, join us today for a Byte of Tech with your student data team as we look at monitoring failing grades using the Focus Gradebook reports. There are multiple ways to navigate to the Gradebook report for failing grades in Focus. First, you can look at your menu icon on the left-hand side for the reports, look at grades, and then drop down to Gradebook reports. However, if you're currently working in your gradebook, you can click on the Reports button in the top right corner. Once you click on that button, it'll navigate you to your list of gradebook reports, and we're looking for failing grades specifically. Here, you will be able to see the total number of failing grades for that section. Across the top, we have student, assignment, the point value column for how many points the student earned versus what the assignment was worth, a percentage, a grade, a comment if you made one, as well as the assignment, assigned, and due date. Across the top, we have a threshold. We're currently viewing the failing report, so we are looking at any grades under 60. However, if you're wanting to get a different snapshot, you can change that threshold to anything under 80 or anything under 70% as well. If you want to include missing grades, put a check in that box, or you can choose to include inactive students as well. So let's take a look at the grade column. Here we see a mix of M's and F's. Remember that an M stands for makeup grade, and an M counts as a 0 in the gradebook until the grade is recovered with the makeup assignment. Placing this M in the gradebook is a great way to give an accurate representation of where the student stands with their average for their class. If makeup work is never submitted, that 0 will remain and be factored in as the failing grade for that assignment at the end of the 9 weeks. As we move down this list, we can see that we now have an F for a true failing grade for an assignment. You can add an additional comment here if you'd like to provide more information for the student or parent for the feedback for that assignment. Make sure that you click OK to save your comment before exiting. Once you receive makeup work from a student and you're able to assign it a point value, you can update that here by double-clicking in the box. If the point value is a true passing grade, it will remove the student from the list once you push enter. However, for this example, if a student does not receive a passing score upon submission of makeup work, the report will stay the same. You'll see here, I enter the grade, I push enter, and the student does still stay on the report because now it is a failing grade. If you see that a student appears multiple times on the report, you can quickly click their name to get a snapshot of how they're doing overall in the class. Here you can see each category and the weight or the average for the class, as well as the individual grades provided for each assignment and comments if they were made. When you're ready to return to the full report, click the Reports button in the top right, and you'll pick back up right where you left off. When you're finished reviewing and making edits, make sure that you click that Save button in the top right corner, and now you've completed monitoring the failing grades report. And that's another Byte of Tech. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click the bell so you stay notified on all of our new content.